KKG delivers ultra-durable SD, TF and SIM card connectors engineered for precision and longevity. 5,000 mechanical cycles, which outlasts competitors 3 times. More than 100 million ohms contact resistance will ensure stable data transfer. -40 to 85 operating temperature makes our connectors survive extreme environment. From smartphones to industrial controllers, every connector features silver alloy contacts, UL/TUV safety certifications, and spring materials for zero failure in critical environments. KKG, professional electronics manufacturer.